Hello everyone, this is Joshua, and I'm trying out the Oculus Quest 2 headset, and you can see that, holy cow, the experience is pretty awesome. I'd say that this 2D view doesn't do it justice to when you actually try it yourself. Oh, and just to clarify, this is not any paid-in promotion. I just tried it because I want to do some AR VR. I want to create some AR VR games or some sort of apps with it. I feel like this might be the future, so I decided to buy one and give it a shot. Yeah, so far I'm not disappointed with what I'm experiencing so far. I just realized how much I've been missing. Stay tuned and watch me, I guess, commentate this gameplay.
Welcome to Oculus. After this tutorial,
so one thing good about this Oculus Quest is that you can see your hands and also the controls that you're using. And if you press the buttons, you can definitely see which buttons you're pressing if you're just leaning closely to your camera. And something to specify also is that some people might be wondering, okay, when you're wearing it, can you trip over some things?
Don't move or reach beyond
as long as you define, you can see that there's a certain boundary that's defined right here. As long as you define your boundaries in your Oculus Quest, your system, it will tutorialize you how to do that.
Try moving the thumbsticks around. The thumbsticks
you won't really crash into anything unless you put some random item in there in the middle of your gameplay. Then yeah, you're kind of screwed.
On your controllers. Locate the grip buttons and squeeze them with your
I'd say that most of the video games that I've been playing so far is like Nintendo 64, Game Boy, Nintendo DS, and transitioning right away into this Oculus Quest was, I guess maybe I'm being more amazed than most of you guys have been playing, and maybe you guys have played a PS4 or some other of those new Xbox technologies, and this stuff is way not too interesting to you. Maybe this is like simple graphics.
Hold the grip button with your middle finger. Release the grip button to drop it.
Maybe like GameCube quality graphics, but to me this felt pretty awesome, and just experiencing that is, I guess, so cool. The downside is that I'm so used to terrible graphics that when I just move into this kind of stuff, I've been getting dizzy and headaches just trying to adjust to this kind of stuff. I don't know, maybe that everyone would wearing an AR VR headset experience this, but I feel like motion sickness, especially when I turn left and right so quickly like that.
Looks like you're getting
God, man, my stomach just turned. I can only like play games for like 10 to 15 minutes, and I had to stop right there. Still pretty cool though. I mean, just trying the items too. I mean, as long as the game is well-defined physics, I think it's pretty cool. Some paradoxical uses. You can see me use a control to control a control. Now, I think the price for the Oculus Quest at the time that I bought it was $299.99. So, I guess it's up to you guys to decide whether this is. I know that some of you might not have that kind of money, but
insert a cartridge into the
if you can't afford it, or someone gives you a gift like this, I'd say I think I got my money's worth, to be honest. Well, I mean, I don't plan to use this just for gaming or watching TV or some VR experience stuff. I'm planning to use it to make some games or apps myself. Hopefully I could create something cool and I could show it to you guys in my YouTube content. I mean, think about it. One thing cool about AR VR is, like, you can see this right here, is that it has that certain element that some movies have been missing, that it can almost personalize to you. Like, it has that human interaction. I heard someone say, like, what was amazing about, like, watching a play or stage play is that these stage actors, they tune their performance to the audience is watching, and the audience is different almost every time. So, I mean, imagine AR VR just like tuning its own performance or whatever behavior it does just to match yours. That would be the optimal entertainment experience. Just dancing or singing or whatever you guys are doing. Like, this is crazy, man. Like, I don't know, I was blown away even from the simple tutorial. guess if there's a way, like, sometimes it's not really that user-friendly in the case of, like you can see right here, it's a little shaky. I'm kind of getting a little sick. But it'd be kind of cool if there's a way that I could find the sensitivity of, like, turning left and right so that I won't have, like, a freaking headache. I'm not a good dancer. But yeah, let me know, guys. If this is the type of content you'd like me to see, just trying different technologies, or if I were to do some AR, VR development, you guys could watch me do it stage by stage, make me create something and share it with you guys. It's up to you. I know everyone doesn't have an AR, VR headset, so I don't know if that will apply to you, but maybe you still might be interested to see what that is like. This is pretty cool, man. Now, if you're not in there for dancing and just for violence, I think this definitely has a future in, like,
when you're ready to explore another virtual world,
yeah, like you do some shooting games. I think this will blow your mind away with some, like, shooting games, definitely. I'm definitely not the wider for this kind of stuff, but I think some people will like it. I heard studies that, though, you don't want to play first-person shooters all the time. I don't want to tell too much details. I don't want to ruin anyone's, like, likings to why that first-person shooters is not good to play, like, I guess, hours a day. I actually wanted to run first-person shooters because I want to fine-tune my motor skills. It's just side effects of, you know, first-person shooters is something different for me. I don't. Hopefully, AR VR doesn't have any detrimental side effects to the brain. I like to at least make my brain, like, the most sharpest as it can be and not be affected by unhealthy lifestyle behaviors. I mean, come to think of it, just having this thing like inches away from your face and you were to play here for hours, I'm pretty sure there might be some side effects. Hopefully there's, like, something in the future or some sort of diet that help you mitigate that sort of stuff. Maybe one recommendation when you're playing this game is don't play in a full stomach. That definitely, you're definitely, if you ever played this for the first time on a full stomach, maybe make sure you have, like, a trash can near you. Oh yeah, that's so cool. I'm bubble betting this one. Or Jango Fett. I forgot which one is which. One thing I noticed about using this Oculus headset is that it is a little bit heavy. So I guess in a way it's almost like wearing a GameCube on your head, basically. I mean, look at this. Like, I guess the quality of the graphics is... I mean, to me it looks pretty awesome, but I guess to all you guys who play, like, the Xbox or PS4 or whatever, this thing is, like, not even approaching the foot of what high quality is. But I mean, do I really want that high quality inches away from my face for hours a day? I guess so. Guess not, but yeah. But, I mean, otherwise, I think AR VR definitely has some... Maybe it might have some good health benefits to the brain, I guess. I mean, if you want to improve, I guess what you call this, basic compatibilities of the brain, it's like solving puzzles. I think that would be kind of really good with the Oculus Quest. I never tried the other VR headsets. Actually, the other AR VR thing I tried at least once was with a cell phone. And that one was pretty cool too, definitely. I think the headset though makes it much more better. I were to create, I mean, right now I don't have any AR VR games or any apps that I have in mind to make, but if you guys have any ideas, please leave it in the comments below, and perhaps I'll give it a shot. I mean, I'll think about it, and maybe in the future I might start heading in that direction, trying to create one of those stuff. Well guys, I hope you like this content. I'm definitely looking forward to make some more kind of this stuff. Definitely so you guys can experience it with me. Well, it's going to be hard to experience it to its fullest extent if you don't have an AR VR headset, but this stuff is definitely pretty cool. Alright guys,
When you are ready to leave this tutorial,
please like and subscribe,
insert the
and
exit cartridge.
I would like to hear your feedback. What do you think about the Oculus Quest, if you own one, or if you have any questions I could answer down below, like what I kind of do know. I didn't like research it to an extent, but maybe I can give some information about that. Cheers guys.